Welcome to the topic Strategic Management. Here we're gonna cover in Chapter 4 Varieties of International Strategies. Global Strategic Management. Many barriers to international trade were lifted and firms began pursuing global strategies to gain a competitive advantage. However, some industries benefit more from globalization than do others, and some nations have a competitive advantage over other nations in certain industries. To create a successful global strategy, managers first must understand the nature of global industries and the dynamic of global competition. Sources of competitive advantage from a global strategy. A good global strategy can help a firm to gain a competitive advantage from the following sources: efficiency, operational flexibility, shift production as cost, exchange rates, etc. change over time. Economic of scale from access to more customers and markets. Exploiting another country's resources, labor, raw materials. Extend the product life cycle. Older products can be sold in lesser developed countries. Strategic. First mover advantage and only provider of a product to a market. Cross subsidization between countries. Transfer price. This diagram talks about Porter's diamond model, firm strategy, structure and rivalry, demand conditions, related and supportive industries, factor conditions. Porter's diamond model for international strategies. Michael E. Porter model is that a nation could create new advanced factor endowments such as skilled labor, a strong technology and knowledge base, government support and culture. Factors of production include land, natural resources, labor, and the size of the local population. The individual point on the diamond and the diamond as a whole affect four ingredients that lead to a national comparative advantages are the availability of resources and skills, information that firm use to decide which opportunities to pursue with those resources and skills, the goals of individuals in companies, the pressure of companies to innovate and investment. Factor conditions. A country creates its own important factors such as skilled resources and technological base. The stock of factors at a given time is less important than the extent that they are upgraded and developed. Local disadvantages in factors of production force innovation. Adverse conditions such as labor shortage or screw raw materials force firms to develop new methods, and this innovation often lead to a national competitive advantage. Demand conditions. When the market for a particular product is larger locally than in foreign markets, the local firm devote more attention to the product than do foreign firms, leading to a competitive advantage when the local firm begins exporting the product. More demanding local market led to national advantage. Strong trend setting local market helps local firm anticipate global trend. Related and supportive industries. When local supporting industry are competitive, firms enjoy more cost-effective and innovative inputs. This effect is strengthened when the suppliers themselves are strong global competitors. Firm strategy, structure and rivalry. Domestic conditions affect firm strategy. For example, Japanese companies tend to be team-spirited. Italian companies tend to be smaller and are run more like extended families. Such strategy and structure helps to determine in which type the industry nation firm will excel. Low rivalry made an industry attractive. While at a single point in time a firm prefers less rivalry, over the long run more local rivalry is better since it puts pressure on firms to innovate and improve. In fact, high local rivalry results in less global rivalry. Local rivalry forces firms to move beyond basic advantages that the home country may enjoy, such as lower factor cost. This picture gives the gist of the Porter's diamond model. Country or global competitive. Comparative advantage is latent in the factors of production and created endowments of particular region. Factor endowments include land, natural resources, labor, and the size of the local population. Competitive advantage is a firm's ability to transform input into goods or services at a maximum profit on a sustained basis better than competitors. A nation could create its own endowment to gain a competitive advantage. Created endowments include skilled labor and technology and knowledge base, government support and culture. Multinational or multi-domestic. Product customized for each market. Decentralized control, local decision making. Effective and larger differences exist different between countries. Advantages are product differentiation, local responsiveness, minimized political risk, minimized exchange rate risk. Advantages or strategies. Global strategy. Strong global distribution network. Company-wide mission statement that was followed closely. Financial control. More applied R&D. Ability to get the market quickly and for standards. Multi-domestic strategy. Innovation from local R&D. Entrepreneur spirit. Products tailored to individual country. High quality due to backward integration. Disadvantages of strategies. Global strategy. Problem of strong yen. Too much dependence on one product. Loss due to employees. Multi-domestic strategy. High cost on product and duplication across countries. Introducing a product, time to market was slow. R&D driven instead of market driven. Here we completed chapter 4. Thank you.